Hello children, welcome to your science class. Now, today before starting the class, I want to show you something. Can you see what's this? Yeah, this is a lovely flower named as Dahlia. Now, what's this? This is also a Dahlia. Now, can you guess the difference between this one and this one? Can you guess? Yeah, absolutely right. This is a real dahlia, a natural one, and this is a artificial dahlia. As you can see, this is a artificial dahlia and this is a natural. It's given by nature and it's a man-made. So, can you guess today's topic now? Of course, today we are going to study about natural and man-made things. Let me show you one more example. What's this? This is a tap. So, is this tap man-made or natural? Yeah, this is a man-made. But the water coming out from this tap is natural. This is natural resource and this tap is man-made. Let's see few more examples of natural things or natural resources. See this raindrops. Rain. This is also part of the nature. Cloud. This pond. Grass. These shrubs and bushes. These all are the natural things. Let's see one more picture. Here, desert means sand. This is also a natural resource. Ocean, tree, even these coconut, sun, sky, they all belongs to nature. Let's see few living things also. Lion, snake, rhino and other animals. These all animals are also the part of nature. So it means they are also natural things. They are the part of living natural things. And this rock, that's also natural thing which comes under the category of non-living. So these all were the example of natural things. So our topic is natural things. Let's go through the topic. We see beautiful lakes, mountains, oceans, rivers, trees, birds, animals around us. They all are naturally present in this world. If we look around ourselves, we will find many natural things which are the gift of nature because they are produced by nature. Let's see the definition. Things that are made by nature or naturally exist in this world are called natural things. I repeat it. Things that are made by nature or naturally exist in this world are called natural things. It means they are not made by man. They are produced by nature itself. We have already seen the examples. Here few more are there like trees, mountains, butterfly, a river. All these are the gift of nature. That's why they are natural things. Nature provides us many things that can be living as well as non-living. We have already gone through the chapter living and non-living and we know what's the difference, right? So just tell me, what is living and non-living? Yes, living things have life and non-living things do not have life. So these trees, birds, animals, humans, fishes, etc. are the example of Living things and mountains, oceans, lakes, valleys, etc. are the examples of non-living things. And both living and non-living, all these things are natural things because they are produced by nature. These things occur in nature and are not made by man. These things are produced by nature. That only I am trying to explain. Thus, all these things, just see the example: coal, iron ore, and many other minerals, rain, pond, sand, rocks, lakes, fruits, vegetables, soil, desert. These all are the examples of natural things because they cannot be made by man. Now you must be thinking there are some lakes which are man-made. Yeah, that's true. Some lakes are there which are made by man, but most of the lakes are given by nature. So these all are the examples of nature which cannot be made by man. So I hope the concept is clear to you. In the next class we will learn about man-made things. Thank you, children.